Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing you that top secrets beauty tips that your famous actress Sara used daily. This face mask, she said it's grandma's beauty tips that she used regularly to keep your skins and healthy and glowing. So let's start how to make this face mask. At first I take lemon juice, turmeric powder, and last and most effective ingredient is yogurt. So basically this is the ingredients that Sara Ali Khan used their face mask as a face mask to glowing her skins. So I will show you how to make it. I take a bowl and take a spoons and old makeup brush. So let's start. At first I take yogurt. I take 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Then I take half tablespoon of lemon juice. And 2 to 3 pinch of turmeric powder. Now mix it. In an interview that Sara Ali Khan told that she used this face mask to glowing her skins, and also it helps to get your skin glowing and remove your dark spots, pimples, blackheads and wrinkles types problems. Friends, you can use this face mask all over your body, that your body get suntans problem faces and also get blackheads, dark spots, dark circle and wrinkles types of problem. So you can use this face mask all over like your hands, legs, neck and faces also. Use this face mask 3 to 4 times in a week for better result, and trust me, this is so much an effective face mask that your skin get glowing instantly. So friends, this is top secrets of Sara Ali's beauties, and if you like my video, so please subscribe to my channel.